Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Audi A3 satellite navigation system. First, ensure your MMI system is powered on. Navigate to the main menu and select the navigation option. From there, choose settings to begin personalizing your experience. Confirm your current location to ensure accurate routing from the start. Once your system is ready, select New Destination to input where you want to go. You can enter an address using the MMI controller or utilize the handwriting recognition feature on the touchpad. The system also allows you to search for points of interest, like gas stations or restaurants. After entering, confirm your selection to proceed. Before starting your journey, customize your route preferences. You can choose between the fastest, shortest, or most economical route. The system also offers options to avoid tolls or motorways. Don't forget to adjust the voice guidance volume to your liking. For convenience, save frequently visited addresses as favorites for quick access later. Your Audi A3's navigation offers advanced features like real-time traffic information to help you avoid delays. Keep your maps up to date by downloading the latest versions, often available via an SD card or through your My Audi account. You can also connect your smartphone for enhanced functionality and use voice commands to control the system hands-free, improving safety and ease of use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.